Welcome to another Baby Basics tutorial. Today I want to show you how to pick up and put down a baby in a very gentle way. By putting a baby down and picking them up by rolling over their side, you actually help your baby to set up neural pathways. Because the first thing your babies learn is to roll, and because you're putting them down and picking them up every day quite a lot of times, and so when you're doing this, you're already helping your baby to learn that movement by supporting them. And also that's what we naturally do. So maybe if you had some back pain or if you were pregnant, you kind of always roll to the side and then push yourself up rather than kind of bringing your whole torso forward. So I'll show you now. So if you're holding your baby here, I'm right-handed, so I'll mainly use my left arm. So you put your baby's bum first on the surface, and then have the hands under the shoulders and roll them onto the to the ground or bed. Picking up, put your hands under their shoulders. You can support the back of the head a little bit, roll over to the side, pick them up from the side, this one way, or you can do that you roll them completely over onto their tummy and pick them up that way, and then you have them more in a front facing position. I'll show you one more time. Put the bottom down, roll onto the shoulder and roll onto the side, picking up over the side and up, and that was the other way where you have them in this position.